दिख रहा? Okay. See, first of all you have to see your handouts. Okay. What is the default locations of the parameter file?
DBS.
Oracle Home DBS, right? Under Oracle Home DBS we have to create the parameter files. Okay. Before we are going to create the parameters files, first of all I am creating the necessary directories. Whatever you want the directories, you can create the directory names, and also you can under that directory you can create subdirectories. Okay. How we can create the directory? Just I am creating the directory mkdir test. Where I am creating?
Home.
Under home location, right? Okay. I am going to the inside the test directory. Test you can check pwd 201 home test. This is the home location, right? Now under I am creating subdirectories under test directory. Okay. mkdir diag log data and control. Diag for alert log file for you are using first this directory. Okay. Alert log file, trace file purpose. You can give any name, but for identifying purpose I am using this directories. Okay.
So directories what?
mkdir, these all are directories: diag, log, data and control. Control, why we are creating control directory means for control file purpose. Okay. Data for data files. Log for redo log files. Diag for trace files and alert log files. Okay. These are standards, but if you want to give, you can give any name. Okay.
trace file.
Alert log file and trace files location. What is alert log file means what? All the errors information will be stored in alert log file, right?
Not for error log.
Yeah. Diag. Okay? Just enter. Diag के लिए. Log file for redo log purpose. Okay? Now I am going to the inside the Oracle Home DBS location. Okay? How we can go? cd dollar Oracle underscore home. Okay? Just enter. Under this, all the binaries is there, right? Okay. Here, see, here is DBS. Here DBS is there, right? Under Oracle Home. See. DBS is there, right? Under Oracle Home. I am going to the inside this directory. cd DBS. Here I am creating a file. Okay. Just vi init test.ora. My SID is test. Yeah. Okay. Done. Just click on enter. By default it is which mode? Command mode, right? If you want to go from command mode to insert mode, you have to press I, right? Just press I. Okay. Here I am inserting all the parameters. Our database name is test. दिख रहा? Instance name also test. Here you have to give the name and locations of the control file. See, our home location is what? Just you can check. Open new terminal. Connect as a normal user. Just pwd, right? U01 home. Under home we create one directory. The directory name is test, right? Okay. Just you can check pwd. Here you have to mention complete path of control files. You have to give the name and locations of the control files. See, 201 home test. Under test control is directory is there, right? Under directory control file will be created. Okay. Whatever you specify location, on that location files will be created. See, 201 home test control. I am giving control01.ctl. This is the name and locations of the control file. Okay.
सिंपल कोड में जाना पड़ेगा.
can create, just we are specifying, just under control directory it will be automatically created when you are running the script. Okay, just we are giving the path. Okay, just TB block size is what? 8192. 8 KB, default is 8 KB, right? Next of all is undo management. Auto. Automatic है तो बेस्ट रहता. Means Oracle will automatically plan the undo segments. If you set from 9 onwards, undo management is auto. ये तो भी चलता, नहीं ये तो भी चलता, कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं. ओके, नेक्स्ट ऑफ ऑल undo table space, undo tbs1. I am giving the undo table space name is undo tbs1. By default undo retention is what? 900 seconds, right? Just I am giving undo retention. Next, Oracle software version. Compatible. Here our software is version is what? 11.2, right? If you not specify, nothing will happen. It will be automatically created.
Sir, we will forget any statement that statement will be automatically
Which is statement? क्या?
told the I suppose with the
Compatible.
automatic
से ले लेना.
if I forgot the table space file or undo table space, so it will generate automatically or
These are mandatory. Some parameters are mandatory parameters, some parameters are optional parameters. Okay, if you didn't specify db block size, nothing will happen. By default it will take 8K, but here we are specifying. Okay, see, next of all memory underscore target. Just I am giving 400 M. Memory underscore target is came from 11G. Before 11G there is no parameter. Means suppose if you set memory underscore target, by default it will allocated the SGA and PGA size. No need to specify separately. Okay. What? Suppose if you are specifying memory underscore target parameter, no need to specify separately SGA and PGA sizes. By default it will take memory underscore target is equal to is nothing but SGA plus PGA. Okay.
I don't have to set memory underscore maximum for target.
Yeah.
I don't have to do that.
Max target.
We have to set.
There is no sequence.
Or it doesn't matter.
There is no sequence.
Okay, alright, cool. So this one's the mechanism?
Okay. Yeah. Max.
Total 1 GB.
We can increase memory underscore target up to 600 MB. Okay. What? First one is SGA plus PGA, right? Second one is we can increase memory underscore target up to 600 MB.
600 is the max?
Yeah. Max size.
Of SGA.
auto extend.
Auto extend नहीं चलता है तो.
यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है.
Why we are giving a target
See.
sequence?
देखो भाई.
Of SGA.
मेमोरी अंडरस्कोर टारगेट कितना दिए 400 MB दिए. We can increase up to 600 MB. लिमिट दे रहे हैं up to 600 MB तक we can increase memory underscore target. Okay? See, next of all, log buffer. Bytes में ले लेता हूँ. This is the actual size of the log buffer size. Okay? केबीज में ले लेता इंटरनली हो.
केबी की बाइट्स
क्या बाइट्स या केबीज डिपेंड. केबीज लेता. डिपेंड भाई, नहीं दिया तो भी प्रॉब्लम नहीं, लेकिन दे सकते हैं. नहीं दिया तो भी कुछ प्रॉब्लम नहीं, इसलिए से ले लेता. कुछ बाइट्स में लेता बाइट्स. ओके. Next, what's area size policy is equal to auto means, suppose if you are specifying aggregate PGA, right? See, first of all listen, we are specifying PGA size. Under PGA there are several PGAs is there, right? It will be automatically allocated. For that purpose we are giving the work area size policy. Okay? Next of all is diagnostic underscore test. Here you have to give the alert log file and trace files location. We created one directory, right? Diag. Here you have to specify that directory name.
कोडिंग जरूरी है सर.
Which one? Log buffer. Log buffer bytes में ले लेता इंटरनल से. चल रहा है. और थोड़े मैनेजर के कलर चेंज करते हैं.
ऑप्शनल है सर.
नहीं ऑप्शनल नहीं हो.
देखो ना डीबी ब्लॉक साइज
थोड़े पैरामीटर चेंज होते भाई, कलर चेंज होता. हाँ डिफॉल्ट. गुड क्वेश्चन पूछे. हाँ थोड़े ऑप्शनल भी रहते, थोड़े मैंडेटरी भी रहते. डेटाबेस के नाम नहीं दिए, इंस्टेंस के नाम नहीं दिए, कैसे चलता बोलो. Okay, the parameter file is created now. Okay, after that save and exit. Okay, now we are exporting. Export variable underscore sid is equal to test. Okay, SQL plus slash as 6 DBA. See, I am asking one question. Suppose if you created database through DBCA, by default which file created? SP file, right? The database will be automatically open. Okay, here we have to start, right? Because we are creating all our manually, right? SP file, what is SP file, what is P file, tomorrow we will discuss.
Now it is under no mount.
Yeah, because we have only
one file.
only for parameter file, right? Just like startup, no mount. If you have any errors, here it will show. If you specify any spelling mistakes, anything in the parameter file, here it will show the error. Okay, there is no errors, right? Come here. After that, I am creating the control file script. Okay, see, I am creating control file script. under test directory. Okay. Under test directory, I am creating a control file script. Okay. DBA DB create underscore that is SQL. Okay, you can give any name.
DB के बटने लगे create की जगह
DB create that SQL भी दे सकते हैं. DB create underscore script, you can give any name, but these are standard. Okay. Here just handout check करो भाई. क्या डेटा में नहीं क्रिएट कर रही है, टेस्ट के अंदर बना रही है. ओके, जस्ट check it your handouts. Okay, create database test.
कैपिटल में ऐसा कुछ नहीं है ना,
प्रॉब्लम है. I will explain. First of all, I will try. After that, I will explain. Okay. कुछ स्पेलिंग मिस्टेक्स है देखो. क्या
साइज में गाइस चलता
लिख ली है. ओके एंड देखो first of all you can check our database name is what test, right? Here I am creating sys and system users. The password is what manager, right? Okay, this is the default password. Okay, here I am giving the redo log files 1 2 3. We created one directory, right? Log under log I am giving 3 redo log files. Okay, each redo log file size is what 50 MB, right? See here we can create up to maximum log files 5 log files. It's nothing but groups. Here we are specifying manually.
Maximum 5 log files we can keep in a
in a database. Just we are all are doing manually, right? That's why I am giving only for, you can give any depending on yours. Here I am choosing maximum log files is nothing but groups 5. Okay, each group we can add up to 5 files. Okay, see this is the members. See here what is max log history means. Suppose, see for example, you can see log writer is writing, right, one online redo log file. After fulfilling it will be log switch will occur, right? Automatically it will assign one log sequence number, right? It will maintain up to 50 log sequence numbers. After reaching the 50 again it will start 1.
Alright.
Okay, this is we are specifying manually. This is the maximum data files. Here maximum instances is what, only 1, right? That's why I am giving 1. See this one is for system data file, just like system table space is the syntax. This is for sysox table space. Okay, this is for default table space for the users, default database table space, default. Okay, this is the default database temporary table space is what, temp, right? This is for undo table space. Here whatever you are specifying in parameter file you have to give same undo table space name. Here in parameter file we specifying undo table space name is what, undo tbs1, right? Here also we have to give same name, otherwise it will throw the error. Okay, पहले मैनेजर ही दे दो, बाकी ये सीक्वेंस नहीं, बाकी के नहीं, मैं हैंडआउट में कैसा है वैसा टाइप करा, कंफ्यूज होते बोल के क्या सिसॉक्स है ना हैंडआउट में, पूरे हैं, चेक करो, सुकून से चेक करो.
लास्ट में कैसे बना
क्या log we created one directory log, right? We created one more directory data. Okay, we created first time before we are configuring the parameter file. We created directory, right? Here I am using these directories for identifying purpose. Okay, till now any doubts? Yeah. Suppose if you are specifying undo table space name in parameter file, both names are same. Yeah. Otherwise it will throw the error. Something error is there. Communication error or something, it will throw the. Okay. जस्ट प्रैक्टिस करो तो समझ में आता भाई, प्रैक्टिस करो. एनी डाउट्स? सी 201 home under test I created one control file script, right? From here I am connecting to the SQL. Okay, whatever is there, in which location file is there, you have to connect under that location to SQL. Okay, otherwise it will throw the error when you are executing, unable to open the file. एरर से सारा बोल रहा हूँ, सुकून से प्रैक्टिस करो. Okay, now I am connecting to SQL. Just I am clearing the screen. Okay, how we can execute this? @ file name. Our file name is what? This is our file name, right? If you have any errors, here it will show. Any spelling mistakes, any commas, any quotations, whatever you have, here it will show the error. Just click on enter. या देखो ये कंट्रोल फाइल का स्क्रिप्ट है. इसके अंदर पहले क्या करता, वो कंट्रोल फाइल को बना लेता, पैरामीटर फाइल में कंट्रोल फाइल को बनाता. उसके बाद ये एंटर करे ना, पूरे डेटा फाइल्स को ये सबको बना के ओपन कर देता, इंटरनल से कर लेता पूरा. राइट, नाउ वी हैव टू रन स्क्रिप्ट्स. ओके, पोस्ट स्क्रिप्ट्स. Again I am creating one more file under test directory. Okay, see, under this I am creating one file. Okay, vi post.sql. You can give any name. Okay, postscript.sql. Okay, here I am entering all those things. पहले एंटर करके एक्सप्लेन कर दो. ओके, see, first script is for creating the data dictionary views. Okay, already I discussed what is data dictionary views. Okay, first one, catalog.sql for creating the data dictionary views. Second one is for creating the packages, PL/SQL packages. Okay, see, this one is for creating the user related profiles. In user management 2, what is profile, sir will discuss. Okay,
User profile.
yeah, user profiles.
So why we are
suppose if you created now, if you want to see, if you want to access data dictionary views, okay, if you create the database through DBA, by default it will automatically create it, right? Views, data dictionary views, dynamic performance views, right? Here we have to create them manually. That's why we are executing this script for creating the data dictionary views, for creating the packages, for creating the user related profiles. Okay, just how we can execute. Just I'm clearing the screen, okay? Just you can check. @ script name, okay? @ so how we can execute @ script name. क्या समझ में आया? एंड्रॉइड में है देखो, ओके, फाइल कहाँ है हमारी? अंडर टेस्ट के अंदर है, ओके। डायरेक्ट एसक्यूएल को कनेक्ट हो गए, एसक्यूएल को कनेक्ट हो गए। अब वो स्क्रिप्ट रन करना @ स्क्रिप्ट नेम @ PostScript.SQL. Just click on enter. It will be automatically created. It will take 10 to 15 minutes. DBA से बनाएंगे ना, DBA से बना रहे डेटाबेस। हाँ डन। To create a database through DBA, by default, how many views will be created? To create the database through manual, how many views will be created? आगे बुलाते हैं, हम आपको जिससे समझोगे नहीं। मेरे को मालूम कितने नंबर से, ये नहीं बता कोई अभी मैनुअल इंटरनेट क्रिएट करता। See, 1 minute. Suppose if you created a database through DBA, by default it will create 4,843 views and tables. Suppose 4,843 tables. Just to connect to the SQL, just select start from tab. It will show 4,843. Suppose if you create database through manually, here it will get 2,429. Okay? 2,429 manually.
And DBA is how much?
4843. मैनुअल से डेटाबेस से पूरे उसको जो नेसेसरी पूरे बना देता, नेसेसरी पूरे बना देता। ये मैनुअल से हमारा जो जरूरी है वो। ओके, tomorrow we will discuss SP file and P file. You have to practice. If you didn't practice, you can't understand. Any doubts?
सर वो पेनड्राइव आया
क्या?
पेनड्राइव कनेक्ट कर
क्यों?
वो वीडियो ले